Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. This is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to show you the new 2026 KZ Sportsman Classic 130 RD. This is a very beginner-friendly small couples travel trailer that covers all of your necessities. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all of our social media linked in the description down below, and don't forget to make sure to leave a comment. Let us know what you think about this unit, or if you have any questions. Starting outside, we've got an aluminum exterior with brand new graphics for 2026. I like the new graphics. I think it makes them look a lot more sleek compared to the 2025 graphics. Up front, you've got the nice little rock shield guard down below, just to really help prevent damage during travel from flying debris and things like that. You've only really got one exterior compartment, and that was up front right at the beginning of this video. But as a smaller starter type camper, that's perfect for couples especially. Around back, you've got your spare tire as well as your rear camera prep there. This unit also comes with a 6-gallon gas electric DSI water heater, which you can find access to on the off-door side of the unit. Another thing I also like to point out on these smaller single axle Sportsman Classics is that they come with 4 manual stab jacks, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, which is great for stabilization, especially because you can only normally find single axle units with 2 stab jacks. You've also got a nice large 9-foot electric awning up front and some exterior speakers for your entertainment. And this unit does come solar prepped with an option to get that solar added on. You've also got 30 amp service on this unit with a detachable power cord, which just makes it easier for you. Heading inside, you're immediately met with the front 54 by 80 inch bed. You've got outlets on both sides of the bed, as well as some nice LED lights to keep that thing lit up for you. Up above, you've got some really nice large overhead storage there, perfect for extra clothing, linens, and things like that. Throughout the unit, you've got these nice pleated blackout shades. Really works well to keep these things nice and cool. If you're interested in adding a TV to this unit, you can find your TV hookup right above the bed there. Over to the kitchen area, you've got your 3.3 cubic foot 12-volt fridge here, some nice under the sink storage, and some really decent counter space for a small kitchen like this. You've also got some nice overhead storage. That's where you'll find your microwave as well. No oven in this unit, but you do have a 2-burner stovetop there with the flush glass cover. And right across from the kitchen there is where you'll find your dinette. The dinette does fold down into a single bed. So if you have a smaller child, this unit could also be good for small families. Above the dinette, you'll find your Bluetooth/AM/FM stereo and some nice overhead storage. And behind this cushion, you can also find a little hidden storage compartment there, which I think is a nice touch. And for a little extra storage space, you have this skinny little pantry type cupboard here. On the wall next to that, you'll find your thermostat. This unit does have a roof-mounted 13.5 kBTU AC. You've also got a nice little 12-volt exhaust fan in the main living area as well. Into the bathroom, we've got another 12-volt exhaust fan above the shower, which lets in a little bit of natural light, which I always think is nice. You've got your foot flush plastic toilet there, a cute little sink with a nice medicine cabinet above there and some under the sink storage there for all of your toiletries and bathroom necessities. So that was the 2026 KZ Sportsman Classic 130 RD. Again, this is a beginner-friendly couples travel trailer, and it's teeny, but it does not skip out on any of your necessities. You've got your kitchen, you've got your bed, you've got your full bathroom. Everything that you need is in this unit. If you're interested in the 130 RD, it is available now at premierrv.com, or you can stop in today and visit us at Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.